how to create account on OKX Wallet. So if you want to create an account on OKX Wallet, then what you need to do is first you need to install the OKX application and open the application. Now, once you open the application, you just need to simply go with an option of sign up. So first allow the notifications, and here you will have login and sign up. So you just need to simply go with the sign up option, which will take you to create account page. And now you need to go with your country or your region. And after that, you can go with create account, which is on the bottom, and go with I've read and accepted all the terms and services. Go with accept and continue, which is on the bottom. And then you can either sign up with your Google or your Telegram, which is on the bottom, right? Or you can just enter your email, phone number, or your password, and then you can create your account. But if you want it to be very fast and easy, then you can go with Google or Telegram. So I'll be choosing Google, and you can choose an account to create. So for example, I'll be choosing a Google account. And after that, you will receive the code on your mobile number. So you just need to simply enter the code which you've received, and that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.